Good morning, students. In previous class, we were discussing about rules of forming comparative and superlative degrees from positive degree. Now, the second rule, how we make comparative and superlative degree from positive degree. If the positive degree ends with E, if the positive degree ends with E, we add suffix R or ST to make comparative and superlative degree respectively. Look at examples. Close, closer, closest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, braver, bravest. Now we'll see some more rules on this. Now third rule. When positive degree ends with Y, and preceded by a constant, listen once again. When positive degree ends with Y and preceded by a consonant, we change Y into I and then suffixing ER or EST to make comparative and superlative degree respectively. For example, crazy. Here, crazy ends with Y and preceded by consonant Z. Now, to make comparative degree, we change Y into I and then suffixing ER, crazier. And in superlative degree, Y change into I and we add suffix EST, craziest. In the same way, easy, easier, easiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. But even positive degree ends with Y but preceded by a vowel, then Y is not changed into I. Listen once again. If positive degree ends with Y and preceded by a vowel, then Y cannot be changed into I. We simply add ER and EST to make comparative and superlative degree respectively. Like grey, grayer, greyest. Here, in this particular rules, there are two parts. First one, when positive degree ends with Y and preceded by a consonant, then we change Y into I and add suffix er and est to make comparative and superlative degree. And the second case, in positive degree, what ends with y but preceded by a vowel, then y cannot be changed into I. Simply we add er and est to make comparative and superlative degree. Now we will see another rules. Now look at another rules. Some adjective display irregular degree of comparison. I mean different words like good, better, best. All three degrees are different words. Good, better, best, much, more, most, little, less, least, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most. All three degrees are totally different words. Look at another rules. Before discussing another rules, we will have to know syllable. What is syllable? Syllable is a part of word pronounced at a time. Syllable is a part of a word pronounced at a time. Three types of syllables: one syllable word, two syllable word, and three syllable word. One syllable word: fat, big, hot. We pronounced these words at a time: fat, big, hot. Now, two syllable words: difficult. In difficult, there are two syllables: diffi and cult. Diffi is one syllable and cult is another syllable. There are two syllables in the word difficult. And now, three syllables. For example, beautiful. Beautiful. Beau, one syllable. T, second syllable, and full, third syllable. In beautiful, there are three syllables. Now, we will discuss the rule regarding depend on syllable. Dear students, I just told you what is syllable: single syllable, two syllable, and three syllable words. When positive degree is in one syllable word and ended with a consonant preceded by a vowel, we doubled the consonant and then suffixed er or est to make comparative and superlative degree. Listen once again carefully. If positive degree is in single syllable, I mean one syllable word, ended with consonant preceded by a vowel, we doubled the consonant and then suffixed er or est to make comparative and superlative degree. For example, fat. Here, fat ended with T. T is consonant. preceded by vowel A. I hope all of you know vowel. There are 5 vowel: A, E, I, O, U. Now, fat ended with T, consonant preceded by vowel A. Then we double the consonant and add suffix er and est to make comparative and superlative degree. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. And now, last rule is when a positive degree is in 2 or more than 2 syllables. When the word in positive degree 2 or more than 2 syllables, we simply add more or most to make comparative and superlative degree. For example, attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. That are the rules of forming comparative and superlative degree. In our next class, we will discuss the rules by which we change positive degree into comparative degree and superlative degree, or comparative degree into positive degree and superlative degree. Thank you.